In this video, I'm gonna show you how to bring some style to your 360 turns. I got two options for you. This first one is going to help lead into the second one. So instead of just jumping and going straight into the 360 turn, I wanna lead into it with side swings. So I turn to the left. So I want to start off with a single side swing to the left, followed by a double side swing on the right. Now as that double side swing comes back around, so I'm single, 1, 2. As that comes up and over, that's when I'm getting my turn in. That allows me to get that rope to come in nice and vertical and straight, so then I can come through and then open up for the reverse jump, and then I'm gonna spin right back around into forwards jumps again. So that's gonna look like this. So seeing that done slowly isn't that impressive. But however, what the key to that is those side swings are buying you time to, one, move a little bit. You'll see me kind of walking up, moving up towards the front of my mat. My goal is to start in the back of my mat and kind of end up at the front of my mat by the time I'm bringing it around. And then I'm going to end up back towards the back of my mat again at the end. So here it is done quickly so you can see how that time buying and then the footwork works together. I'll show you a couple times in full speed, and then I'll go into slow motion for you. Now on to option 2. Option 2 is the same as option 1, except on that double side swing, when you would turn and roll with it, now we're going to throw on an arm wrap and then turn. So it just buys a little bit more time. So when you're really moving fast, now it just gives you these moments to kind of add in, make sure you get that footwork in, and maybe take a little bit bigger steps. So, and then plant and turn and then move in to the full 360. And that just adds a lot of style. So this is what it looks like. I'm starting at the back of my mat. So side swing, double, arm wrap, turn, under, and back around. So again, I'm gonna show you a couple times, full speed, and bring it around for slow motion. Let me know how you do with this one, and of course I have other tutorials if you want to learn more footwork, my whole jump rope skills library. Check them out, and I will see you in the next video.